MetricStream for Business Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are available in the description if you want to explore it further or schedule a demo. MetricStream is a comprehensive enterprise GRC, governance, risk and compliance platform built for large global organizations looking to manage risk, ensure regulatory compliance and drive business performance. Designed for CROs, compliance officers, audit leaders, and IT risk teams, MetricStream offers a unified suite covering enterprise risk management, operational risk, internal audit, IT and cyber risk, regulatory compliance, business continuity, and third-party risk management. Its key strength lies in its scalability and ability to centralize risk data across geographies, departments, and business functions, enabling consistent visibility, accountability, and decision-making. Core features include advanced risk assessment frameworks, configurable workflows, issue and action tracking, control libraries, real-time analytics, and AI-powered insights for predictive risk analysis. The platform also offers integration with external regulatory feeds, ERP systems, and ticketing tools like ServiceNow, making it easier to keep compliance activities aligned with business operations. MetricStream's intuitive dashboards provide actionable insights into key risk indicators, KRIs, audit findings, and policy effectiveness across the enterprise. A major advantage is its domain expertise, reflected in out-of-the-box templates and best practice content for industries like banking, healthcare, energy, and manufacturing. Strengths include its global compliance coverage, robust reporting tools, support for cross-functional collaboration, and strong audit readiness. However, the platform can be overwhelming for smaller organizations or teams with limited GRC maturity. Implementation time and complexity are significant, and the full potential of MetricStream is realized only when organizations invest in training and change management. Some users also note that UI responsiveness can lag with very large datasets, though recent updates have improved performance. Additionally, pricing is premium and best suited for enterprises with complex, multi-framework compliance needs. In short, MetricStream is an enterprise-grade GRC solution offering deep functionality and strategic oversight for risk and compliance leaders. It's ideal for companies that need an integrated view of governance and risk at scale. If your organization requires robust, end-to-end GRC capabilities with global coverage, MetricStream is a strong contender. Check the description for more details or to see if MetricStream aligns with your compliance strategy.